I'm doing a tutorial on how to replace your laptop screen on an HP ZBook G2, and it's actually pretty simple. Start here where you've got these stickers on both sides here, and you just take those off. You also need a small screwdriver, and just start unscrewing these. And then once you have those out, you could use a tool or just use your fingers. Just be careful because these can be sharp, and you just put your fingers underneath there and this will kind of snap open. Try not to break anything. And then once you have that off, there'll be 4 more screws at each corner here. You want to take those off. And once those are out, you're done with the screwdriver, but once those are out, all you have to do is you flip it forward, just kind of be careful, and then there is a ribbon here. It should be your 30-pin ribbon, and you'll just need there's some tape as well, and you'll just need to pull that up, and then just be careful and pull that back, and that will release it. And then at that point, your laptop screen, your old one, is off. And now you just have to wait for the new one, which I'm going to be doing. And then I'll show you how to put the screen back on. It'll just be in reverse order. Okay, I've received my new laptop screen. Here it is, shiny and new. And now we're just going to repeat the process going in reverse. So what you want to do is you want to first hook up this 30-pin connection down here, and then once you have that hooked up, you just want to apply the adhesive back on there so it doesn't become disconnected. And then you want to line the screen up to these 4 corners. And once you have that lined up, you want to take your black screws, and you want to screw those into all 4 corners. Just going to go back here and make sure that they're all tight again. Take off the display tape, or the cover film, because it will be hard to take off once you get that snapped into place. Okay, and now we'll go ahead and snap this back into place here. You want to go around this a few times to make sure everything snaps into place. Okay, once it snaps into place and it looks good, we will put the last 2 screws in. Should be the silver screws here. There's two, and then we just stick these back on to cover the screws so you can't see them. And that is it. You've completed your laptop screen replacement on the HP ZBook G2. Thanks for watching.